The 2026 Ford Puma, which was the best-selling automobile in the United Kingdom, has been brought back with an updated design, improved technology, and an attitude that is full of fun to drive. The exterior of the vehicle has been updated with new LED headlights, a redesigned grille, and alloy wheel options, which vary depending on the trim level. Inside, the dashboard has been reorganized, the screens have been made larger, and the Sync 4 system now includes built-in Alexa, as well as 5G wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There is also ambient lighting, a sliding center armrest, and a killer B&O sound system available in higher trim levels of the Puma. Nevertheless, not everything is of a premium quality. For example, some plastics still have a cheap feel to them, and the old Recaro seats that were available on the sportier model are not present. Powered by Ford's 1.0-liter EcoBoost mild hybrid engine, the Puma shines when it comes to its driving experience. It is more like a hot hatch than a high-riding crossover, and it handles corners better than the majority of small SUVs. MegaBox is a waterproof storage space that is located under the boot floor of the Puma. The massive boot of the Puma has a capacity of 456 liters in the combustion version and 574 liters in the electric version. Depending on the trim level, the price ranges from approximately $26,500 to $35,000. The most advanced version of the ST comes with a more aggressive appearance, an improved sound system, a wireless charging pad, and a powered tailgate. In order to achieve maximum performance, there is a top ST version that has 170 pistons, larger brakes, and a more precise suspension setup. Even though it has some flaws, the 2026 Ford Puma is still the most enjoyable to drive among the small SUVs currently available. Even without a full hybrid, it is a great option for those who are looking for a small SUV that is stylish, technologically advanced, and fun to drive. It has great technology, awesome practicality, and solid efficiency.